Hi there, hello, and welcome again to our video on understanding negative number rules. Guys, we are teacherlookup.com and our main aim is to spread knowledge and education around the world. And if you want to help us, please guys, and please donate and whatever you think is feasible, and this will really help us spread the education on. And guys, if you even find this any beneficial, these notes, please, donate because you find this beneficial, or you want us to spread more knowledge around the world. So, guys, understanding negative number rules. That's what we're going to speak about. There's a bit of recap that we have done. So in maths, there are different types of numbers, guys. Natural numbers, which are also called counting numbers. Natural numbers are greater than zero, i.e., 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Note that there is no decimal numbers or fractional numbers because they're not whole numbers. Real numbers is the set of all possible numbers. Integers are the set of negative zero and positive whole numbers. So guys, we're going to speak a bit more about negative numbers today. Negative numbers are represented by a minus sign ahead of the number. Example, -3, -9, -67. The number -9 represents negative value with the magnitude of 9. Representation on the number line. The relationship between positive numbers, 0, and negative numbers can be represented as decrease and increase over here in the timeline, the number line, guys. As we can see, the number line, the numbers greater than 0 on the right hand side are called positive numbers. So from here, from 0 onwards, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called positive numbers, and the number on the left hand side of 0, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 are the negative numbers, so they're less than 0. In case of positive numbers, the further a number is from 0 on the number line, the greater is its value. In case of negative numbers, the further a number is from 0 on the number line, the lower its value. So, for example, 8 is greater than 5, but -8 is less than 5 because of this negative number, guys. So next we're going to speak about additive inverse. Two numbers whose sum is 0 are called the additive inverse of each other. For example, 4 and -4 are additive inverse of each other. Adding two negative numbers is the same as adding two positive numbers, but the resulting numbers will be a negative number. Example, -12 plus -5 is equal to -17. When adding a set of positive and negative numbers, you can consider the negative numbers as positive numbers that have to be subtracted. So for example, 12 plus -5 is equal to 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. Subtracting negative numbers. When you subtract two negative numbers, you must convert the sign to the second number and then add the two numbers. For example, -12 minus 5 is equal to -12 plus 5. Guys, there's a rule to remember: plus minus equals a minus, minus minus equals plus, and yeah, so minus minus equals a plus, plus plus equals a plus, minus plus or plus minus equals minus, guys. So that's a rule that you remember and you should use. So guys, you can write this down, reverse the video and write down what I said, and remember the rule, guys. And this rule is for addition and subtraction, and we've got a bit of question and answers for you guys to do. And I suggest the more you do this, the more you get in the more you get in practice, and the more you get in practice, the more quicker you'll be, and the more intuitive you'll be on regarding these questions. Multiplying negative numbers: when you multiply two numbers, the answer is the product of two magnitudes. The sign of the product is determined by the following rules. The product of the positive number and negative number is always negative. The product of two negative numbers is always positive. So dividing negative numbers: when you divide two numbers, the rules for the sign of the quotient of division are the same as that for the multiplication. So 21 divided by minus 3 equals minus 7. Minus 21 divided by minus 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And because these are two negative numbers, that's why it's making a positive 7, whereas this one positive and one negative, is equal to minus, because it's one positive and one negative. So 21 divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 7. These are some question and answers for you guys to have a look at. As I say, keep trying, keep giving it a shot. If you don't understand anything, please come to our page and comment, or you can also comment on the YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our coming next videos. Thanks, guys.